I bet you've never seen an egg under 400 time zoom eggs, a staple in kitchens worldwide. But there's more to these humble ingredients than meets the eye. Did you know that eggs are among the most nutritionally complete foods available? They're packed with high-quality proteins, vitamins, minerals, and good fats, making them a powerhouse of nutrients. But the story of eggs goes beyond nutrition. They've been a symbol of life and fertility across various cultures and religions for centuries. In many parts of the world, eggs are used in traditional ceremonies and festivals, symbolizing new beginnings and rebirth. Let's crack into the science of eggs. The color of an eggshell is determined by the breed of the hen. It can range from classic white to brown and even blue or green in some breeds. However, the shell color doesn't affect the egg's nutritional value or taste. It's merely a breed characteristic.